What do you get when you mix stylish design, cutting-edge technology, and sleek hybrid performance? You get the 2022 Venza, Toyota's most sophisticated two-row mid-size crossover utility vehicle. Driven by a standard hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive, Venza delivers a seriously smooth ride with elegant comfort and room inside for 5. Let's take a closer look at some key features. Venza is available in 3 grades: LE, XLE, and Limited. While each one offers its own impressive array of grade-specific details, they all share the same standard hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive capability. Venza XLE can be equipped with a premium audio system with JBL speakers, while Venza Limited is available with an advanced technology package and can also be outfitted with Toyota's incredible Stargaze fixed panoramic roof. One look at Venza and it's clear how its silhouette helps it stand out from most SUVs. And it manages this while also maintaining an understated sophistication. This striking exterior is designed with everyday convenience in mind as well. That's why all models feature bright LED lighting and a height-adjustable foot-activated power liftgate with jam protection. Roof rails are also available, as are 19-inch alloy wheels on both XLE and Limited grades. Finally, LE's standard smart key system on 3 doors can be upgraded to a 5-door system on XLE and Limited. Any vehicle with this much emphasis on design isn't going to skip the interior, and that's especially true with Venza. With one of Toyota's most stylized and finely crafted cabins to date, Venza makes a strong statement the moment the doors open. But this premium soft-touch environment also packs a wide range of comfort offerings, like standard dual-zone climate control and 8-way power driver's seat, as well as available features like a heated steering wheel and heated ventilated front seats. And for 2022, Venza XLE now comes standard with soft-text trimmed seats, heated front seats, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function and power lumbar support, 4-way adjustable passenger seat, and driver and front passenger seat back pockets. The centerpiece of this cabin, however, has to be the available Stargaze fixed panoramic roof, a Toyota technology first. This amazing feature makes clever use of electricity to change the frosted glass to transparent and back again, all at the press of a button. As its fixed panoramic roof shows, Venza truly shines when it comes to advanced tech. This is first evident in its audio multimedia platform with standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility lets drivers connect an Android device with ease, while Amazon Alexa functionality is also offered on every model. There's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Plus, the available 12.3-inch touchscreen with 9-speaker JBL audio system features a seriously powerful 1200-watt amplifier. The available audio multimedia display isn't the only large-screen option, though. There's also an available 7-inch multi-information display that helps to ensure all key driving information is easy to see and understand. Venza also comes standard with trials to Toyota's connected services, including Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Remote Connect, and Service Connect, which provides maintenance reminders to both dealer and driver. And technology can also be seen in Venza's standard convenience features like its 4 USB charge ports, as well as in available features like a head-up display, digital rear-view mirror, and bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan. To anyone familiar with Toyota, it should come as no surprise that Venza is equipped with a wide range of great safety features. To that end, the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite comes standard on all models and includes pre-collision system, which now has bicyclist detection capability, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. TSS 2.0 also includes 2 new systems not found on the previous Toyota Safety Sense platforms: lane tracing assist, which helps keep Venza centered in its lane while DRCC is operating, and road sign assist, which is designed to recognize certain traffic signs and display them on the instrument panel. Additionally, all Venza models come standard with Toyota's signature Star safety system, 8 airbags, and blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. While XLE and limited models also feature front and rear parking assist with automated braking system to help navigate tight spaces. Venza's responsive hybrid powertrain ensures that strong, smooth acceleration is always at the ready. And it also has an impressive EPA-estimated combined fuel economy rating of 39 mpg. Now combine that with the predictable and confident handling, as well as the low noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH, of its underlying TNGA-K platform, and you get refined ride comfort that's nearly impossible to beat. From its sleek styling to its smart and sophisticated design, Venza raises the bar for what a modern crossover can achieve. Matched with Toyota's hybrid battery warranty, which is easily transferable between owners, as well as great ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance. At the end of the day, it's clear that Venza is ready for whatever adventure the road may bring. Head over to Toyota.com to learn more.